Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In today's session, let's see about the automatic traffic signaling lights in Tkinter in Python. So I've already written the code. Let me execute it. So when I'm executing it, I get a traffic signal light. Initially it will be red, then orange, and then it will go to the green color. Again it will go to red, orange, and then green. So automatically the color changes after a particular time interval. So how do we go about this in Tkinter? Let's see in this particular session. So initially I'm taking from Tkinter, I'm importing all, then I'm importing the time module, then I'm having win equal to Tk and win dot title is equal to traffic signal. Let me write win dot main loop. Now let me add my rectangular boxes and oval within the canvas region. So initially let me create my canvas and pack it up onto the screen. So when I run my particular code, this is my canvas area. The one in white is the canvas area because I given background equal to white. Now let me add rectangles and ovals into this particular canvas area. So first let me add one rectangle, run the code. So I get one particular rectangle. Now let me add my another rectangle. Run the code. So I get the stand for this particular traffic signal. So within this particular rectangle, I have to add three ovals. So let me add those three ovals. So when I run this, I get one oval, circle or oval. But while creating, I've used create underscore oval. Now let me add another two ovals. Let me run it. So I get three ovals within this particular traffic signal. So basically we are creating two rectangles and three ovals. And these are the dimensions, the x coordinates and the y coordinates for creating the rectangle and the ovals. So now let's start with our programming. Firstly, let me give a equal to 5. First, let me give a equal to 5 while true. So true means it will go into the loop. While true will go into the loop. Then I'm having my function called def equal def red underscore on. This is the function red underscore on. And here I am giving for I in range of a, and I'm copying this particular red canvas area. So I have to copy this red canvas area. Control V. So red equal to canvas 1 dot create oval, and I change my fill color to red over here. Because when red is on, the color changes, fill color changes from black to red. After it changes to red, I give win dot update. So win dot update basically refreshes the screen, the window or the screen. Then I'll give a time dot sleep of 0.60 seconds. So this is in seconds. So this will create a delay means the red light will be on for some time. It will create a delay. So I'm adding 0.6 seconds as the delay for this particular red light to show onto the screen. So after going about this, now let me add another function def red underscore off. So the red light goes off in this particular function. Again, for I in range A, I'm having this particular statement. Let me copy it for the red color and I'll fill it with black, because when it is off, it will go back to the black color. And again, I have to say win.update, so it will refresh the screen, window or the Tkinter screen, and time.sleep. Let me give it as 0.00001 seconds. So it will go off, the means the red color will go and the black color will appear. The time interval is very less, so it will go to the next function. My next function which it calls is def orange underscore on. Again, for I in range of A, I have to take the orange details. So it is orange canvas1 dot create oval, and these coordinates I have to take. So I'll take my orange coordinates, Control V, and let it, since orange is on for the function orange on, I'll change it to orange color, and then win.update, and then time.sleep, which will add a delay of zero point 0.6 seconds. Sorry, 0.6 seconds. Have to give it as 0. Or you can give 0.6 or 0.06 seconds. After this, the orange light goes off. So def orange underscore off. Let me copy from here. For I in range A, orange canvas, it will go off, so it should be black color. And the time delay is 0.00001 seconds. Now let me go on to my green one, def green underscore on. So for I in range of A, Control V. Then I have to go to my green one. So green one is this particular canvas. Control V. So I have to, since green is on, I have to change the color to green. And then I have to update my window and give a time sleep. Time sleep is 0.6 seconds. 0.60 seconds. After this, I go to my def green off. So def green underscore off. So the green light goes off. It will change to black again for I in range of A. I have to consider my green light. So these coordinates I'll take. And this fill color will become black because green is off. And then I get win dot update and sleep as 0.00001 seconds. So these are the functions which I require in this particular code. And now I have to call these functions. These are just the definitions which I have written. Now I have to call these functions. So I call it as red underscore on, first one, red underscore off, second function, orange underscore on, third function, orange underscore off, the fourth function, green underscore on, fifth one, and green underscore off, the sixth one. So in this particular function, in this loop, while loop, it is true, so the condition is satisfied. All these are the definitions of the function which does not get executed by itself until you call the function. So we call it over here red on, so red on gets executed, then red off, orange on, orange off, green on, and then green off. And within each of this function, if it is green on, for the green canvas, the fill color changes to green. It will update the Tkinter screen, and then it will add a time interval delay of 0.60. So the green light will stay for some time on the canvas area. Then it goes into the green off because we are calling green off function. So here it will change to black. The fill color from green, it changes to black. Then it is updating the window, and sleep time is very less because so that it will appear black, and then it will go to the next color. So again, it after green it goes to the red, and after red it comes to orange, and after orange it comes to green. So the loop continues. So this is the program. So basically we have created a canvas. We are having two rectangles within the canvas, and we are having three vowels, one for red, other for orange, and the other for green. And then we have the functionality for changing the colors, firstly red, then orange, and then green. Now let's execute the program. So the red one is on, then the orange, and then the green. Again it goes to red, then orange, and then green. So the loop continues. Hope so friends, it was clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button, and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.